Here's a fact about parrots. Parrots can't smile. They can't smile because their upper jaw is fused to their skull, so they kind of just have this permanent look of surprise. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. But there's a way that you can make them happy. If you give them a toy that has a little mirror on it, they will spend hours staring at their own reflection and preening their feathers. It's like they're looking at their own personal Instagram feed. Oh my God, I'm so beautiful, I'm so beautiful, I'm so beautiful. And it's not just parrots. Any bird that has a mirror will stare at it. And they'll also try to preen the mirror. They'll try to preen the mirror. And if you get a really big mirror, some birds will actually startle themselves. Look at that. Look at that, look at that. Now, this behavior has been observed in the wild. Like birds will stare at each other's reflections and try to preen the other bird until they realize that it's just a mirror. Then they get startled by it. But it's not just birds. Other animals have been known to stare at mirrors too, and we don't really know why.